Do you want to start a business but don't have the money to invest? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to start a business with zero capital and turn your idea into a reality. Number 1. Choose the right business. Freelancing, writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, online services, virtual assistants, consulting, coaching, print on demand, selling custom-designed products without holding inventory, affiliate marketing, promoting products and earning a commission, drop shipping, selling products without keeping stock, blogging or YouTube, monetizing content through ads, and sponsorships. Number 2. Leverage free tools and resources. Instead of paying for expensive software and services, use free alternatives to build and grow your business. Website. Use platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Card for free website creation. Marketing. Promote your business using social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok. Design. Use free design tools like Canva for graphics and branding. Productivity. Use Google Workspace, Docs, Sheets, and Drive to manage business documents. Communication. Use Zoom or Google Meet for client meetings. Number 3. Get funding through creative ways. Apply for small business grants or crowdfunding platforms like GoFundMe or Kickstarter. Partner with someone who can provide financial support in exchange for skills or equity. Final tip: start small, reinvest your profits, and grow over time. No money? No problem. Take action today and build your dream business. Like, subscribe, and comment on your biggest takeaway from this video.